The Azimio administration will be banking on manufacturing and livestock to expand the economy to double-digit growth. The political outfit says it will increase funding to counties to start industrial parks and tap heavy machinery companies to set up steel mills and motor vehicle manufacturers in Kenya. The coalition party's manifesto that was unveiled yesterday is also banking on increasing investment in agriculture to drive economic growth.
Azimio!
The Azimio La Umoja coalition became the first party to release its manifesto last night. The coalition's presidential candidate, Raila Odinga, spelled out 10 economic policies that will spur socio-economic development. In the document, the coalition is targeting a double-digit growth that will be propelled by a well-established manufacturing sector. Agriculture, which is one of the enablers of the manufacturing sector, the Azimio coalition is targeting to jump the sector's contribution to the economy to 30% from the current 22.4%. This will be achieved through agriculture mechanization, the establishment of a large-scale irrigation schemes, and farm input subsidies, among other measures. Raila has also said his administration will tap manufacturers of heavy industries to establish tractor assembly lines in the country.
Agriculture will review all the policies, laws, standards, and norms to guide the sector.
To incentivize the agriculture sector, the coalition will establish a minimum guarantee scheme to protect farmers from poor prices and reduced post-harvest losses. In the livestock sector, the administration will focus on increasing value addition and protecting herders from losses during the dry season.
This minimum guarantee for farmers then, in terms of livestock, will improve access to affordable credit for livestock production.
On the blue economy, the Azimio blueprint says it will invest in technologies to exploit deep-sea fishing. To further show up the manufacturing sector, Azimio says it will reduce the cost of electricity by investing in cheap renewable energy and increasing efficiency in transmission.
Energy, as the world moves away from the fossil fuels, is going to be hydrogen. And hydrogen is available in large numbers in our country here. Rivers flowing into ocean carrying a lot of water. Hydrogen is just extraction of hydrogen from water and living oxygen, which is also usable. We will produce hydrogen here and use it to manufacture, to generate energy.
The administration has promised to make amendments to the taxation regimes that will favor youth startups in the country as part of promoting small and medium enterprises.
We are going to go to primary production so that our people who are importing mitumba can have good product to sell here. I'm saying that we are not moving anybody out of business. We'll ensure that those who are importing mitumba get the first hand to market goods which are going to be manufactured here in this country.
On improving the digital economy, the coalition is committing to protecting intellectual property to foster innovations. Other key areas targeted for growth include tourism, mining, and infrastructure development. Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.